What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. Today we're going to update and analyze, by the way, do a full coin TA on XDC. That was a request on the Discord server, so as always if you have some requests you can absolutely join the Discord server and send some request in here. You just have to go, I'm in the wrong channel by the way, in the MC forum here at request and just send me some message, really send me some coins. Really, I'm gonna take some time, you have some time to do some TAs on this. So today XDC, we're going to do a full coin TA on that, as I said. And yeah, I'm going to show you the wave, my best targets, my possible trade setups on this, really everything. So as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn notification. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it. And by the way, to thank you all for the 500 subscribers and even now 1000. There is a giveaway absolutely free running on the website. There are just 3 days left. Okay, 3 days are remaining right now, so really just go and check this out. It's absolutely free. You have a one-to-one session with me, so you spend 1 hour with me, an MC sweatshirt and 1 exochance month for free. If you want to get some more details, you have everything in the description down below. And yeah, just thank you again so much for this. It's absolutely crazy. And yeah, let's start with this. So we're going to go on a bit of a bigger time frame, like the weekly here. Okay, going to go on the log scale so we can really see our daily. By the way, daily time frame is good. Daily time frame is very nice, by the way. Let's pull the wave here. So we're going to get everything here. Okay, we added all the waves here. I don't have small wave or whatever with, you know, some folder or just higher time frame waves as I'm used to do, but no, just gonna put everything here. So there are some possible different configuration for me on this. As always, I'm not playing only with one configuration. This is extremely important to do this in my opinion. So what I'm taking here, this first of all for me is a scam week. I'm not going to count this as a wave 1 route, okay, otherwise we'll have a triple wave. So I'm gonna take this bomb right here as a wave, as a bomb, really. Okay, and so from here we'll have a first impulse. So we'll have a first impulse, then we'll have a correction, so as always 5 waves correction, so wave 1 2. Okay, then we'll have another, so bit weird 5 waves, but still gonna take this as 5 waves. So 5 waves correction, another 5 waves here, another correction, another 5 waves. So for me we're a bit more likely in a wave 4 than in a wave 2. Okay, it's still possible, to be honest with you, to be in this kind of wave 1 2 so 3 4, and this will be a wave 5. So we'll already complete a full wave 1 2, so 3 or 5, so a bigger wave 1 here, a bigger wave 2, and then we're going to push for a wave 3 or 5 as always. A B C zigzag, oops, sorry, B here. Okay, it's possible too, but yeah, I do prefer this small, this wave count here where we have this wave 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and so this bigger wave 3 for retracement and the wave 5 here. I prefer this because it's not too bullish, not too bearish. Now you know that there is this other possibility to be in a wave 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and so this impulse, I mean it's leading in that case, is done, and so we can be something really more bullish, or not necessarily. It can be simply here, as I said, an A B C zigzag. Again, if you don't get what I mean, why it can be an A B C zigzag, why it can be an impulsive, just go and watch at the course you have for free on the website. You just have to go and create an account for free on the website here, go in the plan section, make an account with the member upgrade, and go in the Elliott wave free course. You're going to get all the basics and even more than this to really start your learning with the wave, and even more than start your learning. You're going to get some very nice insight on with this course. But anyway, so yeah, ABC zigzag or impulsive, okay, it depends, but personally I'm taking more this wave 1 2 and then bam, an impulsive done, and so we have this wave 3, bigger wave 3 here down. We are in the wave 4 and we look for the wave 5. Okay, so now to the downside here, okay, what I'm counting, this was that one really was really complex. Okay, we've got this, so we've got this wave 1 2 3 4 5 more likely here. Okay, so I'm taking this more likely as 5 waves, because if this have to be, for example, a W X Y X and Z, in that case next we keep dropping, so we have to make in that case a bigger W X Y. And the premise X wave do not retrace 38.2, so it's possible and valid to still be in this kind of W X Y because we're in a bigger time frame, so we do not need really to retrace 38.2, but I will still prefer to respect these rules. Okay, and so that's why I'm taking more likely this as 5 waves. And so here in that case A, B and C, and here we'll have to find some 5 waves. So what we can count here really 5 waves correction, another 5 waves, another correction, and another 5 waves down. So in that case we do have the 5 waves for the C wave. Okay, A wave correction, 5 waves, sorry, B wave correction, C wave 5 waves, so 5 3 5 we do have the wave. So I'm taking this. Now why am I looking for a bigger, more likely here WXY and not to be done with a wave 4? It is possible. Again, once more I am aware of that we can be in a wave 1 2 3 4 5, but I don't like personally the RSI on this. The RSI here make a new low, brings the wave to bottom, as you can see here on many time frames. The weekly, I'm not sure we do this, no, not on the weekly time frame, but I mean I don't like the size of the wave 4 and the wave 5. For me it's a bit too long. That's why I'm going to place more likely a WXY with an extension. By the way, if you pay attention here, you pull the extension tool for this. Okay, right there, you do have here an extension. You can see here we went into the 28% here, so be aware of that. It can be a leading, that's why I'm playing some long targets here below us, okay? But I will take more this kind of WXY personally, okay? I do prefer this more. Now yeah, we can still push up, okay? We can still push up right here. We can still make, for example, one more push to the upside. If we can take this, perfect. So we can still make, for example, one push to the upside here, because we're going to make, for example, a bigger WXY into the X wave. Okay, we can do this, for example. It's absolutely possible. We can stay with this, as we can make a bigger X wave and more longer here. That's why we still have to plan some long targets here to the downside. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything next, of course. By the way, is the microphone on? Yes, perfect. So yeah, I would prefer this as a WXY personally. Again, if the X wave here break the W root, we just have to switch here to an A, B, C flat. And if the B theory is broken, then okay, this was some 5 waves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so this was a wave A, B, C to make the bigger X wave, or to make the C to make the bigger B. And if we keep pushing higher and higher, okay, this was in that case some 5 waves for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive. Okay, that's why we still have to plan some long target below, because we do have this possibility. For me, it's less likely, but we do have this possible count. Okay. So in our case, bigger X, and so then we just have to look for the Y leg here to the downside. To pull the extension tool here on this WXY is absolutely useless, because the first target brings us below 0. So what we will need here to add really some targets to be able to recognize where we are more likely going to bounce. I'm still going to give you the answer where I'm expecting this to bounce if we have to drop below this. Okay, and do a minus 40%, as you can see here. No swing third pound of failure of that low. We are just going to do a 40% drop more. Okay, this is simple as that, really. So this is a really must hold if you don't want to see the price coming back around this zone right here. Okay, but yeah, we will need here some more data. Okay, we will need some more data here to be able to pull a fib from that top to that low to that top, bam, to get the targets here all the way down. Okay, we will need this data on the chart here, these new waves, to be able to pull a fib to get the targets really some strong, some bigger and some better targets here all the way down. I still have some targets just by using the levels. I'm going to give you this next, but yeah, just want to finish with the wave first. So by the way, I think that we are done. I can remove this, I think. Yeah, we're done. This is my wave count really on this. So for now, I'm taking this as a wave 4, okay, and then looking for the wave 5 more likely. And now we can just remove these waves and add the level. So let's pull the higher time frame levels. Okay, so they have all of this and the volume. Volume levels are really well respected. Not gonna lie. Look at this. It's just absolutely crazy. Path control value. No, that's a path control by the way here. Path control, you can see here, I mean, resistance, bam, flip to support. This value area low, support, resistance, bam, support here, support right now. This path control here, that was a resistance. You've got also some nice support, resistance here. So these are some very, very good levels. You can see here, even this value are high resistance, bit of resistance before to break through, support, flip to resistance here. So again, these are some very, very, very good levels I will be aware of, and I will add on my chart if I had to. If you want to trade that, these are some must-have levels really. And yeah, of course you have all the weekly and the monthly, but this you can do it by yourself really. Okay. But yeah, so these are my volume levels really I'm looking for. And so where are the other? These are the levels. Okay, I just want to pull now the possible chance. So you have this first possible chance here. Okay, and the second one right there. If you stay on the log scale so you can see better. You have this first one here and this second one. What do you put a first and second depend? If you drop from here, this is the first one, this is the second one. If you start from the very beginning, this is the first, this is the second. But anyway, these two channels here. Okay, why I am placing this channel here on the low? It's simply because I do have a target personally here on the low where I'm interested into something. Okay, a possible long, because we do have a nice amount of volume here, to be honest with you. We also have some lows. We have the middle of the previous consolidation here. We have a monthly. We have the path control of the bigger. All this range here on the low. So this is a very big zone of support in my opinion. Okay. And I will be, I said that here personally, so I will be aware of something here. Okay, now of course before that we of course have some support to be aware of, and I will not be surprised, for example, to make something like this. Okay, this for example is a possible setup. I will look for a possible, so as I draw you earlier, you know, for a possible, so the white, just for example, if you pull the waves here. Okay, so we look for the X wave. So the X wave, if this is done, we are going to look for such configuration. So a possible drop, reclaim, and then another drop. Okay, so we're going to look for this triple wave to the downside. We pull the fib from this top, bottom, top, and we are going to be able to find the targets here all the way down. Okay, now it can be also just for a possible bam, drop, bit of push up, drop, and from here get a bounce for a bigger WXY, let's say into here the X wave. Okay. For example, get another reclaim, oops, right here get another reclaim, and from here get a drop just to take this high, right here take this high, going to the target here I like. Well, this is a very big zone of confidence, and so from here get a nice Y leg down. Okay, something possible. Now of course I'm going to long, okay, personally here this is a possible long setup here if and only if, just gonna remove that log scale, if and only if we start to reclaim, okay, this value right low. So I would like to see a bit of a move below here, and so from here if we start to fall from here, then there is just no reason to long. Okay, we'll just look for the next target. Again, it can bounce here, it can bounce here, it can bounce here, but personally these are my preferred targets, okay, with this one here if we manage to reclaim. Okay, it's all about probabilities. Okay, we can bounce, we can bounce, we can bounce, we can even do here and go below, but personally these are my preferred targets where I am personally looking for something. Okay, more likely. So yeah, first we'll have this possible setup. Okay, so go below, oops, right here, go below, spend a bit more time if needed, but I would like to, I'm going to look for a long here. If we reclaim and flip to support, on that flip to support here, if we start to get this trend here to push higher, then this is a possible long setup, and from here we can look, you know, so as I said, for a possible bigger triple wave into the, to make this bam, bigger triple wave here into the X, okay, or directly continuation for the Y leg here. Okay, this is more likely my plan at the moment. And so yeah, if we start breaking this, so first zone as I said here of support, okay, I want to see a move below, reclaim flip to support. If we start breaking this with no reclaim flip to support, then we just break through here, we look for the next area, so more likely here. Okay, again, we can bounce from here, we can bounce from here, it's all about probabilities, but personally I'm going to wait for this. If this is not well respected, then I don't care, I'm not interested in anything. Okay, and if we start breaking this, okay, if we start breaking this here, yes, this is possible again, once more as I said, to bounce from here, to bounce from here, but I'm going to look more likely here for a new low. Okay, that's it really. Not necessarily expecting a new low if we start breaking this, but I'm not really interested into a trade. Well, we'll need, for example, if we do this, for example, just go through and we start bouncing from here, then we'll need this data here to be able to, for example, catch a retracement or something before to push higher. I will need this data here, okay, all of this new data to be able to recognize where we have more chance to bounce. Okay, next. Simple as that. But for the moment, with this, with the current data we have, these are my two possible configuration I'm looking for a long. Okay, so anyway, if we start breaking here, everything here, as I said, and go below this white level here, okay, as you can see here, if I just maybe increase a bit the size of the text here, yeah, if we don't do a swing through pan here, a failed auction, so as always, a swing through pan is simply when you go below, reclaim directly, and you leave this previous lower here only with a wick here. Okay, so for example, I don't know if there is a swing through pan here. Do you have any swing through pan here? This is a swing through pan now. There are no swing through pans here. Yeah, here you go. For example, here this is swing through pan. So you do have a top. Oops, misclicking that. You do have a top here. Okay, you take this previous high and you just close below, and you just leave this previous high with a wick. This is a swing through pan. A failed auction is, for example, when you do this. Okay, you have a high, you break this high, you spend some time, and then you retrace. It's not you just take the high and retrace, you just go get acceptance above, spend some time, form something bearish, and get a drop. Again, you can use an order flow to recognize that. Okay, but yeah, so if there is no swing through pan here, so to speak, this, okay, or a failed auction, so to speak, we just get acceptance below, spend some time, form something bullish, and bam, get a rise, reclaim this level. If we don't get any of these, we're simply going to look for a continuation and to reach a price minimum of, yeah, the price will be around 0.011, around there. Okay, that will be the minimum price to expect, so to speak. Another 40% drop normally, if I'm mistaken. Yeah, another 40% drop here if we start breaking this with no swing through pan or failed auction. Again, remember, for the time here, for now it's really early to say where are the exact targets, okay, of this drop, but for the time we're going to print some more data. For example, if we have to drop here, we're going to be able to pull an extension through from that top to the low, to that low, to that top here, to get some targets here, as I said. For now, it's just too early for me to be able to recognize exactly where it's going to bounce, but this is for sure, if we break this and get acceptance really more down than this with no swing failure power fail auction, really if we do this with no swing failure power fail auction, we're simply going to come back into this consolidation. So we're going to drop 40%. Okay, so this is a muscle, really. You don't want to see a drop, 40% drop. Okay, and this is the next target, really. I don't want to go too low, it's not useful for the moment, but this is the next target if we break that low. Okay, now, yeah, as I said, to the upside, we do have this nice target here. Before that, I want to see first a bit of a bounce to be able to plan something, because I mean, for now, if for example I plan a resistance like right now, for example, let's say I'm going to say, okay, this is a resistance, but the thing is, if we drop once more, if we drop for example more and go directly into this target, then okay, this resistance is not valid anymore. We have to pull this low and we have to keep changing this resistance. So for now, that's why it's not really useful. I'm waiting for the push up to plan the resistance. Now above this right here, we do have this resistance already. Okay, that is from this monthly here, and swing through pan fail auction here into the monthly with the value high in the weekly. Okay, if we start breaking this monthly level and monthly here, we can look for a continuation higher. Okay, monthly break this, look for the weekly, but that's a large push to the upside, not gonna lie. Yeah, 40% push up. So yeah, this is my plan really on this. These are the possible setups. What I want to see to take some long or to take a short. For example, I want to see this right here. I want to see the price going in here. For example, you can stay on the daily. If we get a current close below, I mean, we just leave this high here on the daily time frame, which is a week. That's a possible swing for pan. Okay. Yeah, these are some possible setups really. Okay. Let me think really quick here if I said everything. Normally, yes. Yeah, I think that we're good really with this. So yeah, that's my more likely count. Again, I'm not going to repeat myself. You know, it can be a wave 1 to here and AB directly. It's possible. But this is what I have more likely personally here. So hope you enjoy that one, and hope this helps. As always, if you want to ask me any, if you want to request anything on some, if you want to, 1, 2, 3, if you want me to do an analysis and some technical analysis on any coin, really, join the Discord server, go in the MC forum, add request, and send me even your list if you want to. I'm gonna add this into my notes, really, into my to-do list, but I'm maybe not going to do this directly. I'm going to do it when I have some time to do it, of course. And yeah, otherwise you just have to go and check out all the chat here. You have some live updates on Bitcoin, for example. Here you have some you can share your profit, talk with everyone, ask me some questions. Really, just a cool community. Really, we can just spend some time and get some good time. And as always, there is a giveaway running on the website. Only 3 days left, so don't forget to go and take your chance. Really, if you didn't yet, don't forget to go and take your chance. Don't forget also that you have to verify your email. Extremely important. If you don't verify your email, you just can't win. So it's mandatory on our side to avoid the spams. Okay, so don't forget, please, if you want to get a chance to verify your email, you just have to, once you create your account on the website, you have to log in then to the giveaway. Okay, you just have to go and click so you just create an account, log in to on the website, then you click the button below here, so that one. From here, we need a username for the giveaway and an email also for the giveaway to contact you. So just add these 2 informations, and on the email you added to the giveaway, just yeah, you're going to receive an email, okay, in your mailbox. Just click the link in the email, and this is done. You just verified your account. Okay, if you don't do this, you cannot win. So really, if you want to get a chance, don't forget to do this. I saw a lot of people already that did not verify their account. You have to do this, otherwise it's not possible for you to win. And yeah, then you have to get the points, and by more points you have, more chance you have to win. But again, it's absolutely free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything even in the giveaway or whatever to get more chance to win. No, absolutely enjoy it. Just to thank you for the 500 subscribers and now even the 1000. So again, thank you so much for this. Anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day, and as always, if you want to support the YouTube channel, if you want to support my work, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications. You can also, if you want to get a chance to win up to 7,000 deposit bonus, go ahead and check out the PRIMEXBT offer in the description. You can win up to 7,000 deposit bonus just by making a deposit. So yeah, feel free to go and check this out. You have all the information again down below in the description. And yeah, on this being said, as I said, I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.